In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This is a handy skill, especially when dealing with sensitive information that needs to be kept secure. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to decide the kind of protection you want for your PDF. You have a couple of options here. You can just set a password to open the document, which is known as opening protection. This is a common choice and often all you need. Alternatively, you can go a step further by restricting editing, printing, or copying of the document. This is known as setting a permissions password and offers an extra layer of security. Once you've made your decision, open up the document in Acrobat. Head over to the top menu and navigate to Tools. From there, select Protect, or depending on your version, you might see Protect Encrypt. If your interface displays a single Protect option, click on that to access the password settings. Now let's set a password to open the document. Look for the option labeled Encrypt with password or something similar. Check the box that allows you to require a password to access the file. At this point, you'll need to enter a strong password and then retype it to confirm. A tip here, aim for a password that's a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's strong and secure. Next, you'll choose the compatibility level for your PDF. The options usually include settings like Acrobat 7.0 and later, or Acrobat X and later. This is an important step because it needs to be compatible with whatever software your recipients are using. You might also be prompted to choose your encryption strength, usually either 128-bit or 256-bit. The higher the number, the stronger the encryption, though keep your recipient's compatibility in mind. After setting the password, remember to hit Save or Apply to ensure the password protection is enabled. If you want to restrict other capabilities like editing, printing, or copying, you can set a permissions password. Choose the restrictions that best suit your needs, and again, make sure to save or apply the settings. Finally, it's a good practice to save the newly protected PDF. Use the Save As function to store the protected file under a new name. This way, you avoid overwriting the original copy, which is always good to keep as a backup. To wrap things up, verify that your newly secured document opens only with the correct password and that any restrictions you set are working as expected. And there you have it, a simple way to add an essential layer of protection to your PDFs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.